हामी डेरिभेटिभ अफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड सुरु गरिसकेका थियौँ। सो त्यसभित्र हामीले एसिड क्लोराइड एन्ड एसिडियामाइड दुईटा डेरिभेटिभ अलरेडी पढिसकेका छौँ। सो नेक्स्ट भनेको हाम्रो इस्टर। सो अब यस भिडियोमा हामीले इस्टरको बारेमा पढ्नेछौँ। सो फर्स्टली द इस्टरको नेमिङ कसरी गरिन्छ एन्ड देन आफ्टर हामी त्यसको प्रिपरेसन बारेमा पढ्छौँ। So what is the molecular formula of ester? So molecular formula of ester is generally RCOOR. Here these two, यो दुईटा R भनेको, so एउटा R लाई R dash भनिदिउँ. So R and R dash are whether the alkyl group or aryl group. So अब यसको नेमिङ चाहिँ कसरी हुन्छ? In IUPAC system, it is called as alkyl alkanoate. So in IUPAC हामीले यसलाई अल्काइल अल्कानोएट भनेर चिन्छ भने इन कमन सिस्टम इट इज जेनरली कल्ड एज अल्काइल कार्बोक्सिलेट. सो अल्काइल त सिमिलर नै हुने भयो, जस्ट अल्कानोएट इज रिप्लेस्ड विथ कार्बोक्सिलेट इन कमन नेमिङ सिस्टम. सो अब केही इक्जाम्पलहरू दिएको छ यहाँ, त्यहाँबाट हेरौँ. सो फर्स्टली हाम्रो RCOOR यो चाहिँ मोलिकुलर फर्मुला, और यसमा हामीले यसलाई जेनरली फङ्सनल ग्रुप भन्छौँ. सो दिस इज द फङ्सनल ग्रुप अफ इस्टर एन्ड इन IUPAC सिस्टम इट इज नेम्ड एज अल्काइल अल्कानोइड. सो अलिक यहाँ एल छुटेकै छ. सो दिस इज द alkyl alkanoid and in common name it is called as alkyl carboxylate. So first structure भनेको हाम्रो HCOOCH3. So this is the first compound of ester. यसमा किनभने only one carbon is used, so it is named as only one carbon, so it is called as methanoate, because here is one C and here is one C, so methyl methanoate. So एउटा M ले एउटा देखाउँछ, अर्को मिथाइल मिथानोएटले पछाडिपट्टिको. नेक्स्ट इज कमन नेम. सो कमन नेम मा हामी यसलाई के भन्छौँ? अल्काइल. सो मिथाइल फर्मेट. Now the next one is CH3 COOCH3. So I guess you are honestly class of CH3 COOCH3. So यसमा हाम्रो जुन मिथाइल ग्रुप छ, सो द्याट मिथाइल ग्रुप से पछाडिपट्टिको एउटा कुरा मैले अलिक क्लियर गरिदिन्छु. सो सिन्स RCOOR dash, so here R dash represents the alkyl and R represents the alkanoid group. So this is the general नेमिङ सिस्टम. पछाडिपट्टि जुन R dash छ त्यसलाई हामी जेनरली अल्काइल भन्छौँ, अगाडिपट्टि जुन R छ that is it as alkanoid. So अब in this case here यसको लागि CH3COCH3. so पछाडिपट्टि this is the R dash and this is R. So R dash मा हाम्रो CH3 भनेपछि it is generally methyl and in R it is added. So यो कार्बन पनि यहाँ एड हुन्छ. हुन त यो ग्रुप पनि अल्काइल मात्र हो, बट योसँग C अट्याच छ, so it is called as having two carbons. So मिथाइल 2 कार्बन भएपछि इथेनोएट. and in common name मा सजिलो छ, मिथाइल एसिटेट. सिम्पली नेक्स्ट भनेको CH3COOC2H5. so here this is also 2 carbon, it also has 2 carbon, so यसको नेम चाहिँ इथाइल इथेनोएट and in common name system it is called as ethyl acetate. So this is the method of representing the ester. So हामीले दुईटै two ways of nomenclature यहाँ हेरिसक्यौं. Now preparation. So ester is prepared using a carboxylic acid that is called as esterification. So in esterification, carboxylic acid that is RC. So this is the carboxylic acid is treated with ROH alcohol. So this is a carboxylic acid and this is alcohol. So when carboxylic acid is treated with alcohol in the presence of conc H2SO4, हाम्रो result के आउँछ ester that is R. So यसमा हुने भनेको यो H अर्को कलरले गरिदिन्छु अलिक बुझ्न. So this H is bonded with OH. So right H2 is formed plus H2 remaining भनेको this RC double O R. So this is called as RC double bond O, then O, and then R. So this is called as ester. And the process of formation of ester is called as esterification. Now some physical properties and chemical properties को बारेमा कुरा गर्छौं. So physical property. So generally the esters are colorless oily liquids with fruity odor. So यसको चाहिँ कलर हुँदैन, it is colorless in nature and it has a fruity odor. They are sparingly soluble in water. So like somehow they are very little bit soluble in water. Third thing is the boiling point of esters are always less than the corresponding carboxylic acid. Since यो जुन ester छ त्यसले intermolecular H bond बनाउन सक्दैन वाटरमा, that's why they have very low boiling point as compared to their corresponding carboxylic acid. Now chemical properties. So chemical properties मा हामीले generally 3-4 types को chemical properties हेर्छौं for the esters. So first thing is hydrolysis. So अब hydrolysis को name बाटै clear हुन्छ. In this the hydrolysis भनेको water सँग hydration hydrolysis. So water addition हुनु पर्यो, that is H2O is added to the हाम्रो ester. So RCOOR, when it is added with water it gives RCOOH, this parent carboxylic acid. So we can convert the ester into carboxylic acid plus ROH plus alcohol. So अघि जुन हामीले esterification मा हेरेका थियौं ठ्याक्क it is the reverse of esterification. It is called as hydrolysis. Second is reduction. So in reduction, RCOR is reduced into RCH2OH, that is alcohol. So it is reduced into alcohol. So for example, here is the example. So for first hydrolysis, that is CH3COO CH3. So this one is methyl ethanoate. So when methyl ethanoate is hydrolyzed, it is converted into acetic acid, and this is the methanol. So 1 degree alcohol and carboxylic acid is obtained. Similarly, in reduction, when methyl ethanoate is reduced, it is converted into two alcohols. So this is one alcohol, this is two alcohol. So this one is ethanol, this is methanol. So हामीले इस्टरलाई रिड्युस गरेर दुई टाइपको एल्कोहल बनाउन सक्छौँ। एमोनोलाइसिस, in ammonolysis the RCOR, third is ammonolysis. So name बाट clear छ, in this there will be the addition of ammonia gas. So here RCOOR plus NH3, when ester is mixed or treated with ammonia it gives amide RCONH2. So this is the acid amide plus alcohol ROH. For example, here CH3COO CH3. It is treated with ammonia NH3. It gives CH3CO NH2. So this one is acid amide plus this is alcohol. The next reaction is with action with PCl5. Action with PCl5. So in PCl5, the RCO are treated with PCl5 to give RCOCl, that is acid chloride. अघि हामीले पढेको दुईटा डेरिभेटिभ बनाउने तरिका यही दुईटा रहेछ। सो हामीले इस्टरबाट पनि एसिड क्लोराइड एन्ड एसिड एमाइड बनाउन सक्छौँ, प्लस RCl plus POCl3. So now example. So in example CH3COOC2H5. So it is treated with PCl5. It gives firstly the CH3CO and Cl. So this is acid chloride, and secondly it gives haloalkane. Halo satama, if chlorine is, so हामीले simply chloroalkane भन्न सक्छौँ. So we can obtain here, when the ester is treated with PCl5 we can obtain acid chloride plus chloroalkane and plus POCl3. Now the last is Claisen condensation. So ester having alpha hydrogen, such type of ester just जोसँग alpha hydrogen छ, that react with base, that react with base like sodium ethoxide to give beta keto esters. So they give beta keto esters. So यहाँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. So this one is the ester when it has when it is treated with two molecules of same ester in the presence of sodium ethoxide, it gives beta keto esters. So that is CH3 C2H5. So it is considered as beta keto ester. इसको नेम चाहिँ हाम्रो इथाइल एसिटो acetate EAA. So this is the Claisen condensation reaction.